Hey guys, Lori here from Jack Black. What's going on underneath that mask of yours? I bet there's a lot going on that you're not thinking about very seriously. You've probably got something called maskne. That's like acne you get from wearing a mask. You may have dry skin, you may have pimples, you may have just clogged pores. You really need to use a different cleanser than probably what you're using. You need to switch to Deep Dive Glycolic Facial Cleanser from Jack Black. It's a clay cleanser. You can put it on and it can stay as a mask. You could put it on and dab it on those little areas and it stays as a spot treatment. Or you can just wash your face in the shower with it every day. Twice a day, even better. So the clay is going to pull out that excess oil. The volcanic ash is really high in antioxidants, will help prevent future damage. And the glycolic acid, it's going to make your face feel so smooth. So come on guys, it's time to just dive right in.